Hello friends, in this video I will teach you square root of a number using JavaScript. Okay, it's very simple coding. You can easily able to understand. Without let's begin. Okay, here this is my index.html file. Uh, in the script inside here I write some code of JavaScript. Okay, first, I will take two variables. This is variable A and variable B. Okay, I use here prompt function. In the previous video, I already told you about the prompt function. When we take the input from the user, then we use this. Okay, enter a number, comma, because we are write some code of the how to square root of a number. So for square root of a number you use math dot square function to square root to find the square root of a number. Okay, variable b math dot square root. You this math dot square root used to find your square or root of a number. Okay, then console.log console.log b variable b. Okay, then go to the open with live server and you get your output. Enter a number. You can give any type of number. Let's say 5. Go to the inspect console. 5. uh, when you find the square root of a number of 5, then you will get the decimal digit. Okay, let's check another output. But 36. Okay, let's enter a number 36. You will get the output in the console. 6. 36. 36. When you square root of a number 36, you will get the 6. Okay, let's take another input. This is not a perfect square. Okay, let's take a number 26, which is not a perfect square. Then we will check the output. What will you get? Go to inspect and console. This is your output because 26 is not a perfect square, so you get the output as a decimal. Okay, I hope you like this video, so please subscribe my channel. Okay, and thanks for watching.